Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Figured I'd run this real quick before I have to get ready for work, so if you haven't paid, just send when you can, no big deal. Alright, so we got our Lamar Jackson lot, and we got Walker for 1, Ryan for 1, Dave for 1, Knowles for 2, Ryan for another 1, Dave for another 1, Knowles for another 1, Ryan for another 1, and Adam for the final 1. And we're going to come down here. We are going to go live. Live time is 10:25. Current time is 10:25. Alright. Paste our list in here. And roll the dice. 2 die. Snake eyes are better. Better than snake eyes. 10:25. And we're going 8 times. Good luck, everybody. First time at 10:26. Adam, second time. Knowles, third time. Waka. Ryan. Knowles. Knowles, eighth and final time at 10:26. Winner is Ryan. Takes it with spot number 9. Congratulations, Ryan. Verification code's right there. Thank you all for getting in. I appreciate it. And we're going to go done. And our done time is 10:26. Current time 10:26. Have a great rest of your Sunday, guys.